Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a Gamepass in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Sign into your account, then click on Create from the top menu. You will be redirected to the Creator Hub. Once inside the Creator Hub, open the side panel and select Creations. Make sure the Experiences tab is selected. Now choose an existing experience or create a new one where you want the Gamepass. Scroll down the side menu and find Monetization, then click on Passes. Select Create a Pass. You can keep the default image or upload a custom icon. Enter a name and description, then click Create Pass. Finally, click on the pass to open the pass settings, go to Sales, enable Item for Sale, set a price, and save changes. So that's basically how you can make a Gamepass in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.